Hey everyone, it's Davita with WTI. If you have been on the hunt for a grain-free starch, then I would really recommend this one here. This is the Bob's Red Mill Arrowroot powder or starch. There are so many different ways that you can use this arrowroot powder. It's great for gluten-free baking. Like I said, it is grain-free. It's used as a thickening for soups, sauces, pies. I particularly like to use it when I make my vegan nacho cheese. Just boil carrots, potatoes, and garlic until soft. Place in a high-speed blender with the arrowroot starch, nutritional yeast, and almond milk. The powder is really fine. I would describe it very similar to powdered sugar. And it can be used in many different ways, even as an egg replacer. So if you're looking for a grain-free starch substitute, I would really recommend this one. And that is my point of view.